In today's global job market, companies are no longer limited by borders. Talent comes from every corner of the world, and with it, resumes written in many different languages. So how do modern organizations process this wide variety of applications quickly, accurately, and fairly? In this video, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in global recruitment, the Multilingual Resume Parser. What is a multilingual resume parser? Simply put, it's an advanced software tool designed to automatically extract, interpret, and organize information from resumes, no matter what language they're written in. Unlike traditional resume parsers that only work in one language, this technology uses natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to understand and process resumes written in multiple languages. It doesn't just translate, it understands meaning, nuance, and context. Powered by NLP and machine learning. Thanks to NLP, the parser can extract not only surface-level data like names, education, or work history, it can also grasp the meaning behind the words, including idioms, local expressions, and even cultural context. Imagine receiving a resume in Japanese, Arabic, or Spanish. A multilingual parser can interpret the content with high accuracy, preserving the original intent behind every phrase. Why does this matter? For global companies seeking top talent worldwide, this tool is a game changer. It ensures that resumes from different countries and languages are processed fairly, efficiently, and consistently. Standardization for fair comparison. One of its most powerful features is standardizing the extracted data. Regardless of the language used, the parser organizes all information into a consistent structure, allowing recruiters to search, filter, and compare candidates side by side without language bias. In summary, a multilingual resume parser is more than just a technical convenience. It's a bridge between global talent and modern recruitment, making hiring faster, smarter, and fairer. In a world where language shouldn't be a barrier, this technology helps companies focus on what truly matters: skills, experience, and potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. For more insights on AI in recruitment, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com